Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness T7643 Walking Treadmill. The T7643 treadmill from Sunny Health and Fitness is perfect for walking. The walking surface is 19.5 inches wide and 44.5 inches long. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 6 miles per hour and you can jog on it if you are feeling motivated. Docs recommend getting in 10,000 steps a day. This treadmill can help you hit that target. It comes with 2.5 HP peak DC motor. It can fold and can be moved effortlessly with built-in transportation wheels and a soft drop hydraulic system. This treadmill has backlit LCD displays that track speed, distance, time, and calories. The easy-to-read buttons and strong handrails make it an excellent choice for beginners or seniors. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bowflex T116 treadmill. The T116 treadmill from Bowflex is perfect for any dedicated trainee or an active family. It has 20 inches wide and 60 inches long running surface, which is standard for the quality home treadmill. It comes with a 3.75 chp motor to power the workout belt. This motor offers a top speed of up to 12 miles per hour. There is a motorized incline, which delivers up to a 15% gradient. It has a full-color 7.5 display screen, sitting on the main console. It comes with 9 workout programs, accessed from different buttons below the screen. It features Bluetooth 4.0 compatibility, which lets you hook up to the free Bowflex Results app. The included heart rate monitors provide you a convenient way to measure your effort while working out. It has weight capacity of up to 375 pounds. You will find the handy USB charging port for your device. At number 3, we have the XTerra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. The TR150 Folding Treadmill from XTerra Fitness is perfect for beginners. It has a 16 inches by 50 inches running path which provides enough space for everyone in the family. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour that allows all fitness levels users. It has powerful 2.25 HP motor which guarantees silent operation. It comes with 12 preset programs that offer unmatched variety for workouts. This treadmill offers 3 manual incline settings that allow for maximum variety. The treadmill comes with 5-inch LCD display for tracking all the important parameters throughout a workout. These include the time passed, distance covered, running speed, calories burned and the pulse rate. Tracking the pulse rate is crucial to ensure you monitor and manage the required level. It has hand pulse grips on the side handlebars to support you achieve your goal without much trouble trying to keep the recommended rates. The fold-up design makes it fit for use in limited space in the house and easy storage. It has weight limit of 250 pounds. At number 2, we have the NordicTrack 6.5 S Treadmill. If you prefer to keep your treadmill in your bedroom, the NordicTrack T6.5S is a perfect option, especially if you have a little more space to spread out. It has 20 inches by 55 inches tread belt. The treadmill's speed ranges from 0 to 10 miles per hour. It comes with a 2.6 chp motor that is perfect for running, walking and jogging in the comfort of your home. Incline from 0 to 10% available through a single button. This treadmill includes 20 workouts, which are created by personal trainers themselves. It has a 5 inches LCD display that shows your pace, distance, time, heart monitor and calories burned. If you use custom Google Maps route and iFit, the angle will automatically adapt to match the terrain. You can select cushioned deck to defend your joints or a firm deck which is similar to running on a road. It can carry users up to 300 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the Adidas T19 X Treadmill. If you are looking for high-end treadmill, the Adidas T19X is the perfect choice for you. The tread belt measures 20 inches by 60 inches, while the running belt is equipped with NRG cushioning technology to defend your joints on those longer sessions. The 4.0 chp powerful motor, which translates to a max speed of around 12.5 miles per hour. This treadmill comes with 27 programmed workouts, combines with 15 power incline levels to help you consume the most calories possible over your run. The 10.1 touchscreen display with internet-enabled Ultra X console. This X console keeps you motivated with YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify to power your run. The built-in cooling fan adds a nice touch of comfort. It comes with a hydraulic soft drop folding mechanism, which takes some serious pressure off your body whenever you push treadmill up or unfold it out. Overall, this treadmill delivers outstanding performance and interactive entertainment. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.